Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Assertion is saying that number of fine lines in hydrogen atom is placed under magnetic field for H alpha line of Lyman series R3. Reason the jump is possible only when delta L is equals to plus minus 1. In this question, the key concept is Lyman series. बेसिकली अगर हम बात करते हैं लाइमन सीरीज की, इट बिलोंग्स टू द अल्ट्रावायलेट रीजन, दैट इज द यूवी रीजन. The Balmer series belongs to the visible region, and Passen bracket and Pfund series belongs to the infrared region. Basically what happens, Lyman series जो होती है ये longer arrows होते हैं that requires higher energy for UV radiations or UV region, higher energy. So now, moving to the question, हमसे कहा गया है assertion में that number of fine lines if hydrogen atom is placed under magnetic field for H alpha line of Lyman series R3, and the jump is possible only when delta L is equals to plus minus 1. So according to the question, basically what is happening when delta L is equals to plus minus 1, then the jump will be possible. Basically what happens in the presence of magnetic field, 2px, 2py and 2pz, these are no longer degenerate, they no longer degenerate, no longer. So they have different energy level. So we can say that number of fine lines if H atom is placed under the magnetic field for H alpha in line in the Lyman are 3. So we can say that the assertion is true and the reason is the correct explanation. So we can say that option A will be the correct answer to the given question. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.